Welcome back to Miss Mojo's Garage. Today we're going to switch out my taillights for the American Modified Off-Road JK to JL conversion kit. And we're going to unbox this today and we're going to show you the install as well as the after. So come along. All right, so let's see what we got in here today. Okay, so we got two taillights, it looks like. Those are cool. They're pretty big, I'm not gonna lie. And then we also got the little kit for your resistors. So it looks like a couple screws and some brackets. So we'll go through those and figure out what that goes to. It looks like there was no printed instructions in the box today. So don't worry, it's a couple screws, it's pretty easy. And we're gonna show you how to do that in the video today. All right, so it looks like we only need to take out the two left screws, top and bottom today, so we're gonna go ahead and get those done. All right, so we got the screws out, and so now we're just gonna take off the lens, and it pops right out, and it's actually just connected by a cable here, so we're actually just gonna go ahead and remove that. And you can tell I've been trailing a lot, there's a lot of dirt. So we're actually gonna just clean up this area so it has a great surface, obviously, for the new bracket, and then we'll be right back. Okay, so on the driver's side, you're actually gonna be replacing the top one. That one goes to your actual tail light. The bottom one, you can actually dismount it from this little clip here, and it's gonna go back into the body. So now that we got the old tail lights off, we're gonna take the mounting bracket and come on over here. And there's two teeth and a little bracket here that you got to place into the little hole. And it kind of slides over like so. So you're just going to push to the right and then make sure that your little screw lines are obviously matched up. And look how cute and chunky he is. I'm just kidding. So now we're actually going to take the stock screws that we originally took out and place them back in. Now that we got the brackets installed, we're going to go back to the bench and get the brackets for the resistors. So we're going to be using the screws with the locking nuts to attach the resistor to the bracket. We got the resistor all ready and we're going to actually mount it to the body right here. Okay, so now we're going to actually connect our electrical wire. And we're going to tuck in all the wires nice and neatly, and then we're going to mount it up. Isn't she cute? So with the taillight, make sure that you snap it into place, and then you're going to come over here and there's going to be two remaining screws where you're going to place them into these little holes. So you're going to want a small screwdriver because the top one is kind of hard to get into. So all right, so same thing for the other side. So we're gonna actually mount the resistor and then we're going to snap in the electrical and snap in the headlight, and then there's just two screws like we did the other side. My favorite part, the peeling of the plastic. Voila. All right, so let's kick these puppies on. Give me 1 second and see how they look. Wow, they're so much brighter than the stock ones. Jerry's looking like a whole new Jeep. Now let's head out to the field and see what it truly looks like.